There is loads of misinformation about what kinds of foods contain zero carbs and are suitable for a low-carb or keto diet. The one golden rule to these diets is to keep carbs low, but different online sources may give you different information on which products to choose. Are you feeling very lost and have no idea how to reset your eating habits? We are here to help and finally clear all the misconceptions. We're going to talk about food that contains zero carbs. Also, we will give you a list of foods that contain extremely low carbs. So, let's get to the business. The very first group that contains zero carbs is meat. All types of meat contain zero carbs: beef, chicken, pork, turkey, lamb, you name it. But there are some red flags. You have to watch out for meats that were pre-marinated or come with any sauce. Why? Because these are basically stuffed with sugar, so the meat definitely won't be zero carb. Let's take a simple example: bacon. You have to be really careful with it, because more often than not, bacon comes with added sugar that's being used as a preservative. Now, if there is less than 1 gram of sugar, there's no reason for panic mode, but some brands add more of it. So our tip is more than simple: just make sure to check the label. Alright, now let's head to the second group: seafood. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna, shrimp, crab, lobster, anchovies, and herring. These all contain zero carbs. Don't forget that it's only when you buy it fresh and without any added ingredients. Seafood is also super healthy and nutritious, so including it in your menu is a must. Well, we have some extra good news for cheese lovers. Most of them have just a slight hint of carbs. But you can also find zero-carb cheese, such as Parmesan, feta, cheddar, American cheese, blue cheese, and some more that we put in the list in the comments below. Sadly, some softer cheese types, such as cottage cheese and ricotta, are slightly above this threshold. So, what other animal products have zero carbs? These are chicken eggs, roe, beef, fish or chicken bone broths, and cod liver. From this list, eggs are the most versatile keto food and are loaded with nutrients. Next stop, fats and oils. Butter, ghee, beef tallow, duck or chicken fat, coconut, avocado or olive oils, and even bacon grease. These all have zero carbs. Now, you may have noticed that we didn't mention vegetable, canola, grapeseed, soybean, or corn oils. Yes, these oils do have zero carbs, but when the fat in these oils is refined, it becomes extremely inflammatory for the body. So avoid these oils at all costs. But what about sauces? Sauces basically depend on the brand. Some brands add sugar and other ingredients that basically scream, "Stay away from it." But such brands as Primal Kitchen don't add sugar to their sauces, so they will probably be less than 1 gram of total carbs per serve. Such sauces include mayonnaise, sour cream, ketchup, mustard aioli, vinegar, tartar, butter, and soy. Let's head to fruits and vegetables. It is basically impossible for any vegetable or fruit to be truly zero carb. There are no fruits that contain less than 1 gram of total carb per serve. But some vegetables have less than 1 gram of total carbs per serving, such as bok choy, arugula, iceberg, romaine and butter lettuces, pickles, kale, Swiss chard, and celery. So that is our list of foods that contain zero carbs. Now, we also have a short list of foods that don't contain zero carbs, but are still extremely low and suitable for a low-carb or keto diet. Let's start with fruits and vegetables. Asparagus, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, celery, cucumber, eggplant, green bell pepper, mushrooms, and zucchini. For these vegetables, you should give a green light and include it in your diet. Sadly, the fruit list isn't that long. It only includes olives and coconut flakes. But hey, we want to give a special shout out to avocados. We know that today we're counting total carbs, and avocados don't quite make the cut. But they are still a great food to include on your low-carb or keto diet. Also, we have some nuts and seeds: almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, peanuts, pecans, including peanut butter, almond butter, macadamia butter. These are all known for being high in healthy fats and plant-based protein, while being low in carbs. Also, you can snack on pumpkin, hemp, chia, and sesame seeds without any regrets, as they are really low in carbs. So that was our list of zero-carb foods and extremely low-carb foods. Let me know in the comments down below if there were any foods that I missed on this list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep exploring the Health Insider channel for all things keto, including informative videos, meal plans, recipes, and even more.